Gone are the days when physical combat was used to settle a conflict between nations. Now, nations rely on their weapons to win a war, and power goes to the one with the best weapon. Talking about the best, Elon Musk recently revealed a secret weapon that surpasses Russian aircrafts. If you know anything about Elon Musk, you must know that he puts in everything to deliver the best in any field. Fortunately for the US, Elon Musk is an asset Russia wishes to have. The billionaire CEO has come up with something crazier than what the best of Russia can handle, and you'll find out soon in this video. A quick one before I tell you more. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content. You also need to turn on the notification bell so you get notified about the contents you subscribe for. Done? Let's get into details. Elon Musk has been useful to the US military with innovations that the US military can incorporate into its military assets. Though Russia has always been ahead in the weapon game over the years, now the US seems to have what it takes to take that top spot away. When Russia launched its Zircon hypersonic missile over 1,000 kilometers, the whole world was shocked. Now, you know what's really shocking? SpaceX's hypersonic fighter jet, which the US is currently developing under Project Mayhem, that is capable of defeating Russian aircraft. The US Air Force has given a contract to Lockheed Martin to mount laser weapons on fighter jets. The laser system needs an energy storage solution, leaving Lockheed Martin to turn to lithium-ion batteries used to power EVs. EV lithium-ion batteries have really advanced to a stage where it can be used for fighter jets, courtesy of Elon Musk's Tesla. Musk has innovated a lot of things that are useful to the world and also shocks the world. Under his direction, SpaceX is working on a Starship, the tallest and even the most powerful ever seen. Before this powerful Starship, SpaceX owns and operates the most powerful rockets in action, which are the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy, which is used to deliver payloads to orbit for SpaceX and other private customers. Elon Musk has been talking about Mars a lot, which shows he looks forward to colonizing the planet. When that's achieved, the Starship will really come alive, making several trips between the Earth and Mars, as it won't only take cargo, but also settlers on interplanetary missions. For the US military, SpaceX will deliver sensitive payloads to orbit numerous times. This isn't the first time the US government would be engaging the company. It has also successfully handled some launches for the US Space Force. This is why it's understandable that Elon Musk has decided to make a supersonic jet. He revealed that in a tweet where he said that he was dying to make a supersonic jet. And, as he's already achieved making cars electric, he's decided to also go the electric way with the jet. But what really is a hypersonic jet? Aircrafts travel through the air. The air molecules near the aircraft move through the air and move around the aircraft. How the air reacts to the aircraft depends on the speed of the aircraft and the speed of sound through the air. Therefore, the speed ratio is highly important, which is why aerodynamicists have designated it with a special parameter called the Mach number. The parameter is called Mach number in honor of a late 19th century physicist who studied gas dynamics named Ernst Mach. Typical speed for hypersonic aircraft is greater than 3,000 meters per hour and Mach number greater than 5. And, because they have speed greater than the speed of sound, they're called hypersonic jets. Hypersonic jet, the choice for modern warfare. After finding out about the hypersonic jet, it's only normal to be curious as to why it became the choice of the US military. Brad Leland, the former program manager for hypersonic at Lockheed Martin, gave an answer to that when he said, "Hypersonic craft, coupled with hypersonic missiles, could penetrate denied airspace and strike at nearly any location across a continent in less than an hour." He further said that speed is the next aviation advancement to counter emerging threats in the next several decades, which provides a direct answer to the question: speed. The Project Mayhem. The US Air Force is working on a secretive hypersonic air vehicle program called Mayhem. The Mayhem program is previously known as Expendable Hypersonic Multi-Mission Air-Breathing Demonstrator. Now that name has changed to Hypersonic Multi-Mission ISR and Strike. Mayhem is a part of a larger Air Force research lab effort known as Enabling Technologies for High-Speed Operable Systems, or ETHOS, and this project aims to achieve a lot. What Mayhem is set to achieve? The US aims to deliver a larger hypersonic aircraft that has the ability to execute multiple missions at once with a standardized payload interface, providing significant technological advancement and future capability. The goal is to carry payloads that are 5 times more than the mass and also double the range of the present technology capability system. The hypersonic system is being designed to go beyond the normal in the current technological state. According to Michael White, the principal director for hypersonic in the Pentagon's Office of the Director of Defense Research and Engineering for Modernization, who described Mayhem saying, "Project Mayhem is to look at the next step in what the opportunity space allows relative to hypersonic cruise missiles system. And so if you look at what we're doing right now and the sizes we are looking at to deliver capability, you get a certain range and certain payload to that range and certain compatibility with the air platforms that we have today." The Mayhem air vehicle will carry one of 3 payloads, including area effect payload, a large unitary payload, and a responsive intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance or ISR payload. There is so much more embedded in this project. However, the nature of Project Mayhem is really secretive, therefore, not much is known about the technology behind the system. According to the contract document, the program requirement will be classified secret, possibly requiring top-secret access at later stages of the requirements. What payload is the Air Force interested in? There are possibilities that the Air Force is interested in area effect payload and the large unitary payload. The area effect envisions a payload of cluster munitions, such as a number of small drones, while an advanced high-explosive fragmentation warhead would also provide an area effect. It would be a unitary design. At the same time, large unitary might cover larger warheads designed to provide different kinds of effects against a single target, which includes deep penetrating capabilities for use against bunkers and other hardened facilities. With this available information, it's not sure what the exact design of the payload that has caught the interest of the Air Force could be. We know that Project Mayhem is set to deliver effects at a longer range while also looking to advance in capability in the future than what is being built currently. There is, however, much anticipation on the prototype and evolution of this product. What do you think about this video? Let us know in the comments section.